Hi there! I wanted to share with you one of the products that I chose from Mama Select. I just got the box a few days ago and I've been taking this one. And this is their probiotic, and they call it a super probiotic because there are 9 different types of probiotics in this bottle. The capsules are very small, which I'm very happy about. Look at that. Totally cool. And this is a product that you can take during pregnancy, and they say it will help you with constipation, with your morning sickness, as well as your heartburn. I wish I found this sooner because that would have been fabulous in my book to have a little bit of relief. This company also is made in the United States. They produce their products right here. They also have received their Good Manufacturing Process certification, so their product is consistently good. Healthy gut, made in the USA, small capsules. Can't get any better than that.